We take the words very seriously. Project means jeter au loin. That is, to throw something away. We don't want to fix the image. It's way too early. In 2011, when we started to do images that were actually sort of meta images, that is, they were not depicting the object in itself, because I think the main reason is that we consider architecture not to be about the production of an object, but about the process. Today, we are only doing illustrations. It's a sad thing that happens today because it limits the imagination. When Mies van der Rohe did the project on the Friedrichstraße, he showed the city as a clay model, and he built his tower as a glass model. It has nothing to do with an illustration. You have to decipher the image. That is, we want to produce images and not illustrations. That is, products, images that can be read different ways.
Building tension is important, huh? The place of performance, the museum has streets.
For example, the movie of Byler was looked upon as some sort of exotic way of describing architecture. Of course, they expected an object would come with a movie, but all the references they knew. So making a movie is in a certain way, again, trying to talk to collective memory.
How can you make that a client or someone seeing one of our proposal accepts from the start this possibility of the evolution of a project? And thanks to the fact that we use historical reference, we are calling him to be active using his memory of elements that he knows won't be exactly like that, but recalls things he has gathered from the past, whether he knows the historical reference or not as an architect or scholar, to involve his imagination and grab him on board of this process that we want to do together.
It would be nice if this was moving a little bit, or if the flame was flickering.
We are actually the expert of filmmaking. Of course we're not. But the question is, where do we want to stand? If you stand on the territory that you know, there's no way you're going to say anything new. Where you have to stand, it's exactly on the crest between knowledge and ignorance.
Noisy is outside and peaceful is inside.
That's an interesting point.
More inside in the private.
Inside, outside. Actually, it was a trap in a way. I mean, we first started putting that question on the table, basically waiting for a clear black and white answer. This is inside, this is outside KYOTO, as something like you could link to architecture with a limit, a territorial, a spatial, a functional question. We never found an answer. No one could give an answer. And then started the discussion. So how to depict a city, how to grab certain themes under that angle, where maybe outside, inside is not read as the common filter as architects, but maybe interior, exterior, cultural, private, public, the noise, the sound, all the elements you'll discover in the movies that we hope that are depicting a certain side of that inside outside, but not the classical architectural position of it.
And then we realize the difference between the real distance and the psychological distance.